Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to display discounted prices on Shopify products. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So displaying Shopify discounted products is pretty easy. What you need to do is, first, you need to head over to your products. Let's just say this is the product that you want to show a discounted price for. Scroll a bit down, make sure that you have entered any price in compare at price, and this is going to be showing as a sale and as discounted prices on Shopify. Let me show you as well, so you can see $249.99 and $199 is the actual price. Once we head over to the online store or to the front end section, it's going to be looking something like this. You can see we have this chair. $249 is cut, is basically strike through, and then we have $199 showing as the price in sale. So that's how you can show discounted prices on Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.